Trying to run to keep up, I'm falling further and further each day. How can I sleep when I always feel miles and miles away?
Hello guys, welcome back again to Gilu's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a recipe that you probably like. It's meatball and sausage macaroni. So what we're gonna be using, this macaroni. As you can see, this is an organic macaroni, and most of the things that we're gonna use today, it's like organic. And this is chicken meatball instead of beef meatball. This is chicken meatball, and this is Alfredo sausage. It's chicken sausage also. That's what we're gonna be using. And all the rest of the things that I'm gonna use, I have all of them on my channel already. This is fuego sauce we're gonna use. This is mayonnaise we're gonna use. This is Parmesan cheese we're gonna use. This is Regado cheese that we've been using anytime we're making macaroni. I always use it. And I'm not gonna use the regular cheese today. Today I choose to use the Weight Watcher cheese. So that's the one I'm gonna be using today. And I'm gonna use the fat-free half and a half. That's what we're gonna be using. And I'm gonna use cream of chicken that I don't have here right now to show you, but I'm gonna show it to you before the video is ended. That's what we're gonna use to do the macaroni. So what we're gonna do, my macaroni is already on the stove cooking, and we're gonna get the meatball and the sausages ready. My hands are already washed because I've been on water mostly all day. So my hands are already washed. We're gonna get this ready so we can get the macaroni ready. Okay. While we're doing that, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are new subscribers, I welcome you, and I want to say that I love you all. Thank you for supporting the channel, and without you, the channel would not be succeed. So I thank you all that subscribe to my channel, and may God bless you all. Okay, we're gonna get this thing ready. Cutting them right now. We're not cutting them too big. Okay, we're not cutting them too big. Okay, now we're cutting the sausages. Don't cut them too big or too small. I'm cutting them just like that. Cutting them and put them in a bowl, because I need a good amount to put on the macaroni to make it taste good. Okay, because this is the meat for the macaroni. All right, restez branché. Stay connected with us, with me, and then you will see the end of the macaroni. Okay guys, this is the meatball. We're cutting them. I showed you the sausages already. So these are the meatballs. This is chicken meatball. You see they're not red. This is healthy meatball. Okay, you can do it with any meatball that you want to, if you want, but I choose to do it with the chicken. You can do it with chicken, you can do it with turkey, you can do it with beef. It's up to you. Okay, it's optional. You can do it anyhow you want. Ok, restez branché, on peut tourner pour nous capable de montrer comment macaroni a déroulé. Okay guys, this is the macaroni. As you can see, I just take it out from the stove. I'm gonna put all the sauce that I'm supposed to put. Okay. This is the sauce. easy. Okay guys, this is the cream of chicken that I've been telling you. I've been using it with my macaroni a lot. So if you want your macaroni to be thick together, that's what you use. You don't need bechamel, okay? So I'm gonna put it on the macaroni. So si wap achete le Meatball, make sure it says cream of chicken, alright? We're gonna put our onions. Okay guys? You need this thing to make macaroni. You need some little onions, some little mess of green and red bell pepper. This is what I have. Gonna put all of them. Ok guys, nous mettons tout ça nous supposé mettre. Ça c'est un petit mayonnaise nous mettons là-dedans. Cabal bon goût, nous va mettre trop. So nous va brasser tout ensemble. Guys, let me dire nos macaroni ça yo bon en pile. Nous va essayer faire yo dans fête. Ou même c'est pour c'est un monde qui va me faire pour lui. M'a fait lui pour lui. So yo bon en pile. M'oblige me faire vidéo pour me montrer nous. OK? Make sure nous follow tout step yo. Tout ingrédient yo, c'est celle viande yo a changer. Tant pour une macaroni seafood salade, c'est même tout bagay ça montre nous yo, c'est yo même on mette là-dedans. Une macaroni chicken, c'est celle viande qui différent. Après ça tout ingrédient yo c'est même bagay yo. So c'est celle viande n'a changer dans lui. Là n'a fait. On y a nous va vider ça là-dedans. Pour nous brasser ensemble. Nous avons un paquet de macaroni, right? So c'est pour mon m'a fait li. Qui te demande macaroni, m'a fait pour mon là. Okay? So follow all the steps that I make and explore the world with Gilo Kitchen. Guys, nous mettons un petit lait half and half en étendant puis qu'a bien liquide puis qu'a bien largué puis pas trop dessus, OK? Ça son lait half and half. Moi me fait avec lait half and half. Si vous voulez faire avec lait carnation tout, it's okay. Si vous voulez faire avec lait galon, it's okay. But I like the taste with the half and half, and it make it creamy. So this is not the heavy one, this is just half and half. Okay guys, we almost done. Okay guys, the macaroni is done. C'est des plateau now, nous va mettre dans four pour capable gratiner, OK? Ça n'a mettre là dedans n'a steamer un petit parmesan cheese sous lui pour faire bon petit gratin dans sous tape li pour bien jaune. OK? Et nous finir, nous va mettre steamer un petit cheese sous lui. OK, pour y aller là, on mettre une petite noisette de beurre sous table. Ça va couper, non? Mettons une petite noisette de beurre. Capable. OK? OK guys, this is it. So now, nous allons mettre dans le bafé. Et après, nous finissons. Après, nous finissons, nous allons montrer comment ça sortit. OK? Okay guys, restez branchés là pour tourner. Hello guys, welcome back again to Gilu's Kitchen. This is the macaroni I was trying to show you. Chicken sausage and chicken meatball macaroni. This is the macaroni. This is the way it ends. And I made it with chicken. I'm gonna show you the sauce that I use. I'm gonna show you the container that I used so you can see the sauce. So this is what I made with it. This is the chicken, and I made a little bit rice with it. So this is the way I made it. And this, I make it with some rice. This is the rice. I make it with it. So that's what it is. This is the rice, and I'm gonna show you the sauce that I made with the chicken. Okay, the chicken is so juicy, it tastes so good, it tastes so yummy. This is the sauce that I use. Let me try to make you see it better. This is the sauce, boiled chicken sauce. That's what you call it, boiled chicken sauce. This is the sauce that I use to make the macaroni, and it's organic too. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys happy with that video.